A lot of you guys commented on the previous videos for me to make a video on LinkedIn, so here I am, but एक twist के साथ. Today I'm going to share how not to make a LinkedIn profile. Basically, all those not so good practices that you might have been following on LinkedIn which the recruiters don't appreciate. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Your profile picture and LinkedIn link. गाइस कोई भी अगर आपके LinkedIn पेज पे लैंड होता है तो सबसे पहले नजर जाती है वो आपके प्रोफाइल पिक्चर के तरफ. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ नॉट टू पुट योर प्रोफाइल पिक्चर. गाइस अगर ऐसी शक्लें किसी ने देख ली, ग्रम्पी सी, सैड सी, तो ऑब्वियसली इट डज नॉट जनरेट एनी पॉजिटिव फीलिंग. सो मेक श्योर योर प्रोफाइल पिक्चर इज नॉट सैड. Also guys, make sure that you are not looking here and there, something like this on your profile picture. So whenever you are clicking for a LinkedIn picture, make sure you are looking straight into the lens of the camera. आप चाहे जितने भी handsome या beautiful लगते हो, this is not the place for your picture with a goggle. It's not professional, guys. Guys, another big no-no is something like this. Selfies or pouts. It does not work well with a professional platform like LinkedIn. So no selfies and no pouts. And finally, guys, make sure that you are wearing something professional or not too tacky. A decent shirt or a t-shirt should work well for your profile picture. And finally, you also need to ensure that your LinkedIn link is professional enough. So you can actually customize your LinkedIn link, and I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So guys, here you will find you can customize your LinkedIn URL. When you click it, there's this link. What you can do is actually click on this pen icon and write it the way you want it to be. Try to make it as professional as you can. You could also notice that you wouldn't get your name all the time. That's why I have added a hyphen. So try some iterations and you will find a good LinkedIn link for yourself. Number 2, your name and your headline. Guys, imagine someone asking you what's your name and you going something like this. Hi, I'm Mayuri Rajput. Chill bro, why are you shouting? So guys, this is exactly something what you do when you put your profile name in all caps. Guys, please don't do that because it almost feels like you are screaming and shouting your name to others. So guys, for your name, if you want to put your middle name or not, that's entirely your call, but it's not essential. And guys, coming to headline, this is very important, तो ध्यान से सुनना. तो headlines basically determine your searchability on LinkedIn. इसको समझते हैं. So there are 2 ways to put your headlines. सबसे पहले तो you can just mention the titles that you are working on. For example, my LinkedIn profile says career coach, content creator, recruitment specialist. This is one way. The other way is to use personal pronouns like I, me, my. For example, I help YouTubers to increase monetization by X%. So you can either use what you do or what you want to do, or just mention the job titles or the titles of your professions. Guys, there's no blueprint यहाँ पे. You need to decide what describes you the best. So either you can choose option 1, which I have done, content creator and all the job titles, or option 2 where you can write the sentences. But guys, make sure at the back of the mind you think of the searchability of your profile. And what I mean by searchability, when someone writes content creator on LinkedIn, they will scan the headlines of yours. So that is why make sure you try to accommodate as many job titles in your headline. If you think that you have multiple roles, then I would have personal recommendation for you that avoid using personal pronouns like I, me, my, because it takes up space and we have a very limited space for our headline. And guys, strictly no adjectives on your headline like hardworking, diligent, etc. because as I mentioned, it goes down to your searchability. No one on LinkedIn searches for a hard-working skill or a diligent skill. They would search for your job title. And for your profile to come at the top of the LinkedIn search, you need to optimize your headline. So basically, the headline is the what of your career story. Number 3, your about section. Guys, this section is the trailer of your movie, hence it cannot be long or it cannot be boring guys. अगर इसी part में हमने लोगों को bore कर दिया ना, then you run a risk of them not even viewing your entire LinkedIn profile जिसके लिए आपने इतनी मेहनत की है. So here you need to describe yourself succinctly. Succinctly मतलब in short, संक्षिप्त में, and स्पष्ट, एकदम clear. So as you know guys, आजकल लोगों का attention span कितना कम होता है. अगर आप ये बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ्स आपके अबाउट सेक्शन में लिखोगे तो डेफिनेटली यार लोग नहीं पढ़ने वाले हैं. So that is why make sure you create a nice storyline for yourself, or at least use bullet points and space it out so that everything looks clear to read and intriguing to proceed. Again, यहाँ कोई blueprint नहीं है guys, ये आपकी journey है. So you would be the best decision maker of how you want to narrate your story effectively, and this is the place where you need to do it. So guys, this is my about section. As I said, this is not a blueprint, so you need not follow this. This is just for an example how I have spaced it out so that it's easier to read, and I've started to create a storyline by saying that realized after doing an MTech from IIT Roorkee that engineering was not my cup of coffee. Why and what next? And that's how I've written what's my mission is. I've written about finding why with Mayuri and what I do on this channel, my vision. गाइस, ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि ये वाला समरी ना आपको एक ही बार में अच्छा ना लगे. सो यू माइट नीड टू कीप वर्किंग ऑन इट, मेक ड्राफ्ट, रीआइट्रेट योर लैंग्वेज, शो इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स, टेक मेंटर्स टेक ऑन इट, एंड देन फाइनली write it down. So if it takes time, that's fine. So guys, as you can see on your screen, left side में एक about section है और right side में दूसरा about section है. आप ही देख के बताना कि which of these two feels more comfortable to read. So guys, ये तीनों तो mandatory part थे आपके LinkedIn profile के. Now, when you check out the add profile section, you will find 3 options as follows. एक है core, एक है recommended and एक है additional. अब इन पे आते हैं. नंबर 4, योर एक्सपीरियंस. गाइज, यहाँ पे सब कुछ आपके रिवर्स क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में आएगा. सो बेसिकली आपने जो लेटेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस गेन किया है वो पहले आएगा, फॉलोड बाय द प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंसेस. तो यहाँ पे आपके सारे फुल टाइम वर्क एक्सपीरियंसेस, पार्ट टाइम, इंटर्नशिप्स, ऑल ऑफ दिस वुड गो इन दिस सेक्शन एंड इट्स प्रीटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. यहाँ पे क्या गलती नहीं करनी है, जो बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं, इज दे राइट द जेडी मतलब जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. यहाँ पे आपको जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं लिखनी है, जस्ट मेंशन व्हाट ऑल डिड यू डू इन दैट रोल, एंड यहाँ पे ट्राई टू शो द इम्पैक्ट दैट यू क्रिएटेड एंड क्वान्टिफाई इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपका सेल्स जॉब है, try to bullet point as increased sales by X percentage. That actually shows what you did in that role rather than just mentioning your job description. Hence, यहाँ try to show the result of what you did. And there's also a section of adding media here, so feel free to do that. Number 5, your education. So basically यहाँ पे जो भी आपने degrees pursue की है वो reverse chronological order में आएंगी. अगर मार्क्स अच्छे हैं तो कर दो यार शो ऑफ, अपने मार्क्स और CGPA भी यू कैन मेंशन हियर. यहाँ पे आप अपने मॉड्यूल्स भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं. दैट एसेंशियली शोज व्हाट आर यू लर्निंग और व्हाट डिड यू लर्न. स्पेशली अगर आपकी डिग्री किसी नीश फील्ड में है, सो मेक श्योर यू इंक्लूड द मॉड्यूल्स, बिकॉज इट्स ओनली गोना शो व्हाट ऑल यू लर्न, बिकॉज लोगों को नहीं पता होगा व्हाट दैट डिग्री एंटेल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, so as you can see, I have mentioned masters in career development and management, and also written down all the modules because this is quite a niche field. So by reading this, someone can get an idea of what exactly I learned, and I have also attached a media. If someone is interested to read more about it, they can feel free to do it. Also guys, यहाँ पे feel free to mention your extracurricular or co-curricular activities in this section. What's the difference? Basically, co-curricular activity is all the activities that is directly related to the academics or the degree. For example, आपने कोई ओलंपियाड क्रैक किया होगा उस डिग्री के दौरान, तो आप वहाँ मेंशन कर सकते हैं. Extra curricular activities is everything apart from your academics. For example, if you have been in a dance society or in a sports society, that's extracurricular. So you can also mention that in your respective degree का education. मतलब अगर आप आपके BTech में एक dance society में थे, तो वही उसके नीचे आप mention कर सकते हैं, like I have done. So here how I have mentioned my activities and societies that I was a part while studying in VJTI, and this is precisely the extracurricular activities apart from the academics that I have mentioned here. Number 6, license and certifications. यहाँ क्या नहीं करना है? So lately I've seen a lot of LinkedIn profiles, a list of long certifications, क्योंकि आजकल access to courses and free certifications is very easy. But guys, यहाँ पे ये गलती मत करना कि आप अपने 20-25 certifications और सारे list down कर दो. That doesn't look really valuable. So choose only 4 or 5 of them which are most valued and only include them. For example, when you check at my profile, though I had some engineering certifications as well, I have not included any of them because they are no longer relevant for my current career trajectory. Number 7, honors, your awards, your skills, your volunteering projects, everything fall under this section, which is in the recommended section of LinkedIn, जो हमने बात किया था core, recommended, additional. तो यहाँ पे guys, कोई भी आपको scholarships मिली हो, कोई अवार्ड मिला हो, या आप किसी NGO में काम करते हैं, all of that goes here. यहाँ पे कौन सी गलती नहीं करनी है is a lot of people just mention the name of the award or the name of the scholarship or the name of the NGO, but a lot of people don't really get the context of it. So make sure आप every award के नीचे एक छोटा सा description लिखो कि अगर scholarship है तो किससे funded थी, कितना amount मिला, and preferably add a link to that web page so that if someone is interested to know more about that scholarship, they can directly click this link and get redirected. For example, मेरे profile में भी आप देखेंगे, so as you can see, whatever award I have got, I have given a brief description about it because no one would exactly understand what was Emerging Leader Award and what is Asia Pacific Association. And likewise for all these scholarships, as you can see, I have mentioned the amount, I have mentioned where they can find more details. So make sure that you set the right context for all of your awards. Number 8, recommendation. Guys, it's always a good idea to have your profile recommended by industry leaders. Guys, initially I used to feel very awkward about how do I ask for a recommendation, but over the years I have realized that it's absolutely fine. There's no need to be shy. It's a legitimate ask in a professional world. So here is an example I'll give you of recommendation and how to seek one. So Leanne Hamley is one of the very popular career coaches in the UK, and I had gotten in touch with her through LinkedIn only. You can see we had a lot of chat, but yeah. So this is how I had asked a recommendation from her. You can pause the video and have a look at it, and she did send me a recommendation, as you can see. So you see that she has actually given me a very good recommendation here. So guys, यहाँ पे आप उन लोगों से recommendation मांग सकते हैं whom you have worked closely with, whom you're positive that you have added a good value addition in their team or in their work. Number 9, LinkedIn Premium. अभी हमें ये डाउट आता है कि यार प्रीमियम मेंबरशिप ले या नहीं ले. Shall I put in 1,000 to 2,000 every month on LinkedIn to get more professional networking and contacts? Guys, यहाँ पे ultimately आपका final call है, but let me give my take on it. यहाँ पे आपको 1 month of premium membership free मिलती है. So what I would suggest you to do is उस 1 month में explore करो what are all the features you actually need and how you can leverage it, and then decide whether you want to go ahead or not. जैसे honestly I have never felt the need for a premium membership क्योंकि उसके बिना भी मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा काम हो जाता है. The only time I have used LinkedIn premium membership is that 1 month of free membership जहाँ पे I was in a job search process. It basically informed me who all have applied, what my competitor profile looks like. तो मुझे एक edge मिल जाता था to just know my competitors before I entered my interview round. But apart from that 1 month, guys, I have never felt the need to have it. But ultimately, it's your call. So guys, ये हुई LinkedIn profile बनाने की process. I am giving you 1 week's time to make and complete your LinkedIn profile and completely polish it. And what I'm asking you to do is आपका LinkedIn profile का link comment करना, and I'm going to choose randomly 5 such links and I'm going to give personal feedbacks to those 5 people. अब LinkedIn profile तो बन गई, but how do you need to leverage it? How you can network on it? How you can apply jobs on it? And there are so many tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you in the next LinkedIn sequel video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you next week with a new LinkedIn video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.